Richard, what was the important criteria for that part to meet your specifications, really? That either said the printer will do it for me or it won't. What were you looking for criteria-wise in the plastic and the printer?
We were looking for something that was obviously, as a material, was durable. So whereas I said to you we'd had the 3D printer that we had purchased, it was more of a hobby machine. So we really wanted something that was much more commercially driven rather than hobby driven. So the material itself, the durability of that material, the print quality, the ease of use, so that you were able to print things easily, and that you could end up with a part off the bed that you could potentially use.
Straight off the bed?
Yeah, there wasn't... The problem with 3D printers of the past is that you've got to do a lot of secondary work, so you end up removing a lot of supports, or you end up having to dip it in something, so you're ending up doing a lot more, whereas you really want to be able to, like putting a part on a CNC machine or out of injection moulding, is that you're not doing secondary work necessarily on that part.
So it's off the printer onto the wash?
Yeah, to a degree, yeah, it's coming off the printer and onto production.
Lovely.
So yeah, not that you can do that with everything, but that is part of the criteria.
Yeah.